How to change your profile visibility. On VirtualStaff.ph, you have the option to control your profile visibility. If you are actively looking for a job, keeping your profile visible allows employers to find and contact you. However, if you have already been hired and no longer need visibility, you can switch your profile to private. Steps to change your profile visibility. 1. Log into your VirtualStaff.ph account. 2. Navigate to your dashboard. 3. On the bottom left sidebar, click the three dots. 4. Select your profile. 5. On your profile page, locate the Profile Visibility option next to your profile picture. 6. Toggle the switch to adjust your profile visibility. Public, employers can view and contact you. Private, your profile is hidden from employers. By adjusting your profile visibility, you can manage your job search preferences effectively while maintaining control over who can view your profile.
Thank you, and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the smarter way to build a team in the Philippines, hiring, payroll, and compliance in one platform.